first arrive at the portal, which is affiliates.realplaces.io. And you'll see this. You'll have to create your password first before you do anything. Once you do that, you'll be able to log in, and then you're going to log in here. Once you log in, you're going to see probably something more like this, which is here's one referral, here's another. I just changed the names. This is a test account. And the first thing you're going to want to do is go into the FAQ and look at the how-to. So here's a diagram of the whole process, how it works. You can review that. And here is a diagram of the ticket statuses and what they mean. So meaning the referral statuses and what they all mean. And then here you're going to see if you're an agent outside of Florida, then you're going to want to click here, have a look at the script that you might use that we talk about. And you can download a recording that talks about what the dialogue might sound like and what you might say in your conversation. If you're an agent in Florida, then you're going to look at this recording and you're going to talk about this stuff here. And, look, there's no hard, fast rules, but remember that if people coming from outside of Florida want to talk about Florida, and people in Florida want to talk about where they're going to be going. Going back here, you're going to be able to use these shareable assets to get them to respond to you. If you're unable to get them to respond, or if you just want to provide value, we're going to share some of this stuff. So here's something that's important. For example, if they're veterans, then we want to share with them the veteran contact. These are the direct contacts at the veteran associations. If they're going to be buying in Florida for cash, we want to get them moving, because the more they're moving toward Florida, the more they're moving out of the area that you're working with them in where you're going to list. So here are some sample letters of proof of funds, different situations. Here is, if you're a non-Florida person, you're going to want to share some of these things with them to get them to respond. So, for example, which Florida home features are important to you? Figure out your ideal location in Florida. Some relocation tips. There's a lot of interesting stuff that can be shared with the customers here. And if you're from Florida, then you'd be using the kind of things we share for people in Florida all here, and you're welcome to use them and send them to the customers. Going into the referrals area, okay, so now you're going to go see your referrals. So let's look at, we got 2 open ones, nothing closed and nothing on hold. Let's look at the Joe Blow one. Okay, so what are we seeing here? So this is the ticket number, when it was created, the ticket, the referral, so to speak. This is the status. Go down here is name. Once you've confirmed that they are the owner of the house, you're going to want to edit this here. So you're going to want to go in here and edit. And you're going to want to say, yes, they do own the house. Priority, this is up to you. If you have a lot of leads, like some of the people in New York and New Jersey, then you might want to put something high here. We might put it there. This is a collaboration. If you're having trouble reaching them, go ahead and do this, and we will make the call on your behalf. We want to avoid it because, of course, we don't want them to tell us that they've already got a realtor and therefore ruin the possibility of you getting a listing and us getting a referral. You don't have to worry about this because this is for testing. This is their contact information. If we put a mobile information and we confirmed it, it will be here. The email is here. Here's a helpful information if they're selling or not, relocating or not, whatever they're doing. And so you're going to want to save all that information. And then here's some information that's not editable, but that's readable, which is, this is the research we've done. And it will contain Facebook links or LinkedIn links or web pages. It might have extra numbers or emails or the name of the spouse or stuff like that. So this is the research that the best that we could have done at the time for you, whatever we could have done. And here are the interests, what they're interested in Florida. So this person is interested in a 2-bedroom condo on the beach. So when you call them, you could say, yeah, my colleague Jonathan from Real Places in Florida, he spoke to me and let me know that your interest was a 2-bedroom condo on the beach in Fort Lauderdale. Is that correct? That sounds great. So that's a way to get into conversation with them. So as we're in this and using this platform, we're also leaving messages for each other. We're replying and commenting. So you might make a comment here that says, called the guy and he never answered. Whatever you want us to know here, this is our collaboration area where we talk to each other and help each other get the listing and them get prepared for buying in Florida. Anyway, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please give me a call. By the way, down here, you could talk to Paula, who works with me. She is the Chief Nurturing Officer and Director of Operations. You can talk to her immediately here. You just choose this RealPlaces website and, support. You choose support and you type in your message and we will get it immediately. I hope this helps you.